How's it going, everyone? So just a quick little tour of my new greenhouse here. I've tripled the size of the original greenhouse, as you can see, and I've this time upgraded it with a proper channel locking system and proper greenhouse film, 215 micron greenhouse film. This stuff here, Duralock M215. It's got an internal side and an external side. It's double skin inflated, so that'll give it an R value of about 1.4. This is the old greenhouse plastic I use here. As you can see, the sun just destroyed it basically. It only lasted 7 months. As you can see, it just ripped apart. So I went and bought some proper 4-year warranty greenhouse plastic. So on the inside I've shortened the 2 insulated heated beds to make a pathway going around the sides. So this bed, and this bed are the beds that are going to be heated in winter. They're all insulated with polystyrene, as you can see. I've taken the pipes out. I'll just have to insulate these pipes when winter comes. I've now got 2 in-ground beds, and I'm going to monitor the temperature of those. They actually feel a lot colder than the raised insulated beds, even without the heating going. The original greenhouse windows are now a little bit too small, to be honest. It gets, to be honest, too hot in here, so I'm going to have to buy a proper exhaust fan. This is just a cheap fan here. It's not pumping enough hot air in. Even with the door open on a 26-30 degree day here, I'm getting about 44-45 degrees in here, which is probably too hot degrees Celsius. So I'll have to buy an exhaust fan pretty soon. I've got a bit of an aphid problem at the moment, so I'm spraying a bit of garlic spray on it to try and deal with that. There's the exhaust fan there. Same fan as last time on the lowest setting. I actually had to make little holes in these pipes here to let some of the pressure of the air out, because it felt to me like it was inflated a little bit too much. So in hindsight, probably a less powerful fan would have been fine. Yeah, so that's pretty much it.